पहली बार मुझे अमर सर और आदित्य सर ने ये रोल बताया था. They told me very specifically कि he is a very integral part of the story. Okay, he's going to be there from starting to end. And then I think a few years back I took a step back and I'm like, okay, now I should just start. क्योंकि outsider insider तो हर इंडस्ट्री में, शायद आपकी इंडस्ट्री में भी हो गई, तो of course there is a debate, of course it exists, but मेरे उस पे बात करने से या उस बारे में परेशान होने से कुछ बदल नहीं रहा. I think she's already a very good talent and that's very sweet of her to say something about me. That all credit goes to her because as an acting coach, जब आप किसी एक्टर के साथ काम करते हो तो उसको ऑलरेडी कास्ट कर लिया गया. आई जस्ट फील लाइक शी इज़ अ अमेजिंग टैलेंट एंड आई ऑलवेज से दैट टू हर दैट यू डोंट इवन नो हाउ गुड यू आर एंड आई एम जस्ट वेरी हैप्पी फॉर हर. सो आई जस्ट फील लाइक ऑल द एक्टर्स शुड बी वेरी अवेयर कि इफ यू आर कमिंग टू दिस सिटी टू बिकम एन एक्टर, इट विल टेक टाइम. ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम इफ यू डोंट हैव वर्क, स्टार्ट वर्किंग.
एंड थमा के बाद थम रही है पैर या नहीं?
अभी तो जैसा चल रहा है चलने दो, बाद में सोचूंगा थम रहा है कि नहीं थम रहा है. राइट नाउ आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी and yeah, just happy to see myself on screen and happy to see how Thama is doing so good.
Right.
So yeah.
But then you know it was a small role.
Yeah.
It was significantly बहुत ही प्यार तरीके से दिखाया भी गया है and people are loving it as well. I saw some of the comments on your post also for the same. But you were ready for this because इतने सालों से for 10 years, 11 years you are preparing on other side actors को. You were ready for this debuting इस तरीके के role?
हाँ, I was very happy actually क्योंकि जब पहली बार मुझे अमर सर और आदित्य सर ने ये रोल बताया था, they told me very specifically कि he is a very integral part of the story. Okay, he's going to be there from starting to end, and more than anything we want to work on your physicality. Make your physicality because I want you to look like Veeran and you are the muscle in the film, more than the brain and more than people doing comedy. I want you to look the muscle. I want you to have this monstrous body and you should look like a vampire. And to be very honest, doing your debut film with Maddock in a Maddock horror comedy universe, I think that's the best way for a boy from Banaras who has come to Bombay to become an actor. I think that's what the best debut I could ever imagine for myself. So I'm very happy. Small part, big part, I'm a part of a very big universe. I'm a part of a very good story and I'm working with some very good makers. So I think that is more important.
Let's get back to your starting journey जहाँ पे you thought of becoming an actor. Then you landed up to doing something you loved it.
Correct.
Anyways, and still you will do it.
Yeah.
But कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग में रहता था कि कब मेरा चांस आएगा?
हाँ, जब when I came to Bombay, of course, I came to Bombay to become an actor and I realized very early that I don't know what acting is. So then I wanted to learn. At the same time, if you want to stay in Mumbai, you have to figure out your expenses and your finances and everything. So I'm like, I'm going to learn something which will also make me learn my art and craft and also which will help me financially. So of course, I started assisting Mr. Atul Mongia and I started working with him. I worked with him for 5 years and we also opened a company called Artist Collective together and I started training under him, other actors, film workshops and everything. और हाँ, उस बीच में आपके दिमाग में ये ख्याल आता है, आपके जहन में आता है कि मैं कब करूँगा एज एन एक्टर, बट यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू स्टैब्लिश योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट कि मैं सीख जाऊँ और एक जो मैं कर रहा हूँ पहले उसको अच्छे से कर लूँ. तो उसमें उसको करते करते काफी वक्त निकल गया और आपको रियलाइज नहीं हो बिकॉज आप इसको भी एंजॉय कर ही रहे थे. इट इज ऑल्सो समथिंग विच इज very close to acting. You're also exploring with other actors. You're also creating things. So it also helps you a lot to grow.
Correct.
And then I think a few years back, I took a step back and I'm like, okay, now I should just start. तो हाँ, ये जहन में ख्याल तो आता रहता है कब कब, पर जब राइट टाइम होता है तभी वो होता है और वो अपने आप होता है, आप उसको प्लान नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ, यहाँ पेशेंस काफी बड़ा गेम खेल जाता है.
It's
नहीं, अगर
everything.
वो नहीं होगा तो इनफैक्ट आप बार बार सोचते होगे कि लेट्स गो बैक टू अ प्लेस.
Correct. Patience is everything.
Right. But how was it working with Ayushmann, Rashmika?
I think I got the best cast to work with and crew to work with because Ayushmann, Rashmika, Nawaz bhai, they all are very senior actors. They have a big body of work and all of them were so warm and so approachable because once the actor is approachable ना, तो जो नया एक्टर होता है उसके लिए बहुत आसान हो जाता है अपनी बात रखना या कहना या कुछ डिस्कस करना. तो अगर आपको भी सीन में कुछ कहना है तो वो सुनते हैं, आपकी राय ले रहे हैं. So then you become very comfortable. Then you are already nervous. It's your first film, so you become relaxed. So their warmth and the way they were so approachable, I think that really helped me a lot
Right.
to be very comfortable on set and to be able to perform. So I think I got the best cast.
कुछ offsets fun मस्ती हुआ?
वहाँ
You
पे
bonded with
सिर्फ वहाँ पे
someone?
सिर्फ फन मस्ती ही हो रही थी. Because I think आयुष्मान भाई loves music. उनको म्यूजिक बहुत पसंद है, तो हमारे सेट पे हमेशा पुराने गाने बजते ही रहते हैं और कभी भी कोई भी डांस करना शुरू कर सकता है. सो इट वाज ऑलवेज फन with him and everybody, actually the entire crew was very easy and chill to work.
Yeah, Aditya was saying me about it कि हमने बहुत मस्ती किया है.
He himself is
Yes.
वो तो शूट करते करते बीच में सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ बना के लाते हैं
Yes,
खाने
yeah,
के लिए.
he's a good cook.
He is a good cook. He'll
Yes.
make you cold coffees, something और कुछ experiment करेंगे.
Right.
I don't know how he's doing that. While he's shooting, he'll figure out a way and then he'll go and then he'll cook something.
Yeah, and one-liner punch also. He's very good with that.
Yeah. He is.
He will
नहीं,
break your heart there only.
वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, but at the same time, you were also working with Harsh and Sonam closely.
Yeah.
How was that dynamic going on?
I
this?
worked with Harsh on Tash and Dange
Yeah.
as an acting coach.
Yeah.
And it was again a lovely experience. Harsh is a amazing guy. I love what he does on his Instagram and his film choices. I think he's creating his own niche for himself. And Sonam has come from my group workshop, and Sonam is a very big celebrated superstar in Punjab.
Yeah.
And it was also again a privilege to work with her, both of them, and I wish both of them a lot of success for the film, and it's already doing so good. So it's just great to see them just having this success right now.
Right,
It
right.
just feels very personal also.
And the movies are working again, you know.
Yes.
Theater. How do you see that कि यार फिर से लोग जा रहे हैं देखने?
हाँ, बस मूवी चलनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं किसी एक की चले, सबकी चले.
Exactly.
बिकॉज जब तक सिनेमा नहीं चलेगा तब तक कुछ नहीं होगा. चाहे वो किसी भी तरह का सिनेमा हो, आई थिंक पीपल शुड कनेक्ट विद इट. एंड टिल द टाइम ऑडियंस इज कनेक्टिंग विद इट, टिल द टाइम ऑडियंस आर लाइकिंग इट, then you don't have to worry about anything. And then I feel in the bigger picture, cinema should work.
But how was it your experience working कैमरा के पीछे काम करना? हमेशा से किया है, उसके आगे अब काम करना. How was that? कुछ चेंज हुआ पर्सपेक्टिव में?
I was very excited because आप वेट कर रहे हो पिछले 10 साल से कि when you will get your first film. At the same time, you also start getting nervous because जब वो होता है तो आप थोड़े तो nervous होते हो.
Correct.
So it was a mixed emotion of nervousness and excitement. But to be very honest, working on set is a very different experience. You learn so much about filmmaking, about so much goes into making a film. You know, इतने लोग काम करते हैं, इतना कुछ आपको समझ में आता है.
Correct.
And set acting is also very different because you have to be aware of your mark, you have to be aware of your angles, camera, whatever. जहाँ पे तो वो सब, I think it was a very big learning experience for me. कि how to implement it. आज अब तक तो मैं दूसरों को बता रहा था कि अच्छा आप ये ऐसे ऐसे कर सकते हैं. पर जब आप सेट पे जाते हो तो आपको लगता है कि it's also very different. And implementation आप सेट पे सीखते हो और वो आपको एक्सपीरियंस से ही आता है कर करके
Right. But you were enjoying it.
I was loving it.
Yeah, you were enjoying the full process.
Everything, every bit of it, because I was like a kid who always wanted to be on a set.
True.
And this is the first time I'm on a film set, and such a big film set. And there's so much of VFX is happening. It's a very VFX heavy film, so those guys are there, action guys are there.
Yeah.
So it was. I think in my first film, I experienced everything. In that way, it was really nice.
Nice and long way to go now.
Thank you so much.
But you know, इतने सारे लोगों को आपने मेंटोर किया है, कहीं ना कहीं कई लोग आपके बारे में बात भी करते हैं कि ही इज़ अ वेल विशर फॉर मी, वेल विशर एंड ऑल. बट कुछ ऐसा अंडररेटेड क्वालिटीज देखते हो आप जो नए टैलेंट्स में होते हैं या नहीं होते हैं?
आई थिंक किसी को जब कोई मेरे पास आता है टू ट्रेन और एनीथिंग, आई ऑलवेज सी देम फ्रॉम अ वेरी न्यूट्रल लेंस. मुझे कभी ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि कोई कर सकता है या नहीं कर सकता है. आई थिंक वो किसी के हाथ में नहीं है. आपके हाथ में सिर्फ उनके साथ काम करना. हो सकता है किसी में कुछ क्वालिटीज़ हो, किसी में कुछ क्वालिटीज़ नहीं हो, पर वो इंसान ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम क्वालिटीज़ अपने पे काम करके वो सारी क्वालिटीज़ अपने अंदर ला भी सकता है.
True.
So when I see somebody, I see it from a very neutral lens, and I just work with them. And even if suppose I feel like, "Acha, this you should work on," or "This is very good on you," I think with time they will work on it. And my job is just to work with them and make them believe that they can do it. Like as a coach, I always believe that जब भी कोई आपके पास आए, आपका काम ये होना चाहिए, make them believe that they are able to do it.
True, true.
So it's just that.
बेसिक चीज़ आप क्या बोलते हो पहले कोई अगर न्यू टैलेंट्स आता है आपके पास तो?
That do you really want to be an actor? Because are you doing it as a hobby, or you want to just just trying it out, or you were bored? Why do you want to do it? Because if you really want to become an actor, then it could be a very long journey, it could be a very short journey. आपको पता नहीं आपको कब काम मिल जाए,
True.
पर आपको अपने पे रोज काम करते रहना है without having a project. जरूरी नहीं है आपके पास प्रोजेक्ट है, पर आपको सुबह उठना है, आपको अपनी एक्टिंग पे भी काम करना है, आपको अपनी बॉडी पे भी काम करना है, आपको अच्छा भी दिखना है, आपको जो भी आपकी और स्किल्स हैं उस पर काम करना है, एंड यू आर वर्किंग ऑन ऑल दिस विदाउट एनी प्रोजेक्ट. सो दैट इज द वेरी डिफिकल्ट पार्ट. That's why for all the aspiring actors, the difficult part is to work on themselves every day without having anything.
True.
And that can demotivate anybody.
Right.
So that reality, I think everybody should know when you're coming to Bombay, that रोज काम नहीं है आपके पास, आप काम का वेट कर रहे हो, या आप ऑडिशन देने जा रहे हो, रोज ऑडिशंस भी नहीं है. तो उस बीच में आप क्या करोगे? आर यू रेडी टू डू नथिंग इन दैट पीरियड and keep working on yourself? When I say nothing, like work wise nothing, and keep working on yourself to just preparing yourself for that one day when it will happen. Now that one day can come after 1 week or after 7 years, you don't know.
बट प्रिविलेज की भी बात आ जाती है यहाँ पे. किसी किसी को प्रिविलेज होती है कि दे गेट मूवीज बैक टू बैक एंड दे सम दे डोंट गेट. सो डू यू टेल देम अबाउट दिस आल्सो?
नहीं, जो 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 प्रिविलेज होते हैं उनका अपना ही एक स्ट्रगल होता है. जो प्रिविलेज नहीं होते हैं उनका अपना एक स्ट्रगल होता है. आई थिंक एवरीबडी हैज टू गो थ्रू देयर ओन जर्नी, whether you are privileged or not. Of course, you can get your first film, but वो नहीं चली. फिर दूसरी फिल्म अपने की शायद वो भी नहीं चली. So they have their own journey. और जो प्रिविलेज नहीं है उनके लिए थोड़ा ये होता है कि you're coming from a different city, आप दूसरे शहर से आ रहे हो, तो आपको सब चीज़ का ख्याल रखना है, अपने खाने पीने रहने से लेके and then working. So I just feel like all the actors should be very aware कि if you're coming to this city to become an actor, it will take time. During that time, if you don't have work, start working. Start working in the film industry only. Start doing something so that you are learning also, and you're also growing, and then you're also auditioning side by side, and one day it will happen. Just have patience and keep doing it, and keep doing it the same thing again and again and again. I think that is very important.
But these are the moment where actors suddenly started feeling self-doubt also sometimes.
वो तो हर दिन ही होता
है ना? कहीं ना कहीं आपने भी फील किया होगा. तो how to deal that situation?
There's nothing to deal. आपको सेल्फ डाउट आता है, आप सेल्फ डाउट के साथ बैठते हो, फिर आप सुबह उठते हो, फिर काम पे जाते हो. शायद आप सेल्फ डाउट के साथ ही काम पे जा रहे हो, पर आपको ये रोज करना पड़ता है. आपके पास कोई रास्ता नहीं है. आप वापस जाके क्या करोगे? कुछ आपने और कुछ भी नहीं किया, आपने और कोई स्किल भी नहीं सीखा, तो आपके पास यही है. जब आपके पास एक ही चीजें करने को, तो चाहे वो सेल्फ डाउट आए, चाहे खुशी आए, चाहे अच्छा लगे, चाहे बुरा लगे, आप बोलते हो ठीक है, दिस इज माई लाइफ, नाउ दिस इज इट, नाउ आई हैव टू डू दिस एवरी डे. सो आई थिंक इफ सेल्फ डाउट इज कमिंग, it's okay, it's a part of your journey. And if you're winning, that's also okay, part of your journey. If you're losing, that's also okay, it's a part of your journey.
True.
So इसमें आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो. It's like you're going through a very normal thing which will happen to any artist.
Correct. Because you were always a कैमरा के पीछे. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, was there a moment जहाँ पे you felt like कि क्रेडिट्स नहीं मिलते हैं यार कभी कभार, जो कैमरा पे दिखते हैं उनको क्रेडिट्स मिलते हैं? Was there time or situation?
नहीं, मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं, क्योंकि जब मैं वर्कशॉप करता हूँ तो बहुत मज़ा आता है, बहुत इन्वॉल्व रहते हो, तो कभी ध्यान गया नहीं उतना. यू आर जस्ट हैप्पी टू सी एन एक्टर enjoying the success, the glory, and you are happy that you were a small part of their journey in some way. So I think that is the credit. And if somebody mentions you off camera, on camera, of course you feel good about it. But even if they're not mentioning you, you still feel good for them. It's just that.
Because कहीं ना कहीं वो हो जाता है यार कि सब दिख रहे हैं बट मैं नहीं दिख रहा हूँ.
जब आपका टाइम आएगा तो आप दिखोगे.
Good one. But recently I was talking to Anita also off camera. And she was actually praising you about the work you, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ आपने उनको बताया होगा जो उन्होंने डिस्कस की. How do you see her now?
I think she's
blooming and blossoming.
I think she's already a very good talent, and that's very sweet of her to say something about me. That all credit goes to her, because as an acting coach, जब आप किसी एक्टर के साथ काम करते हो तो उसको ऑलरेडी कास्ट कर लिया गया, करेक्ट? तो उसको कुछ देख के ही कास्ट किया होगा, उसके अंदर कुछ है. आपका काम होता है हाउ टू मेक दैट जर्नी मोर इजी फॉर देम, है ना? to explain them the character, to
Right.
help them to go in that thought, to stay there, or whatever the director is asking,
True.
to execute the director's vision. So I just feel like she's an amazing, amazing talent, and I always say that to her that you don't even know how good you are, and I'm just very happy for her.
But how do you see the, there are always a set of narratives going around that कि outsider versus insiders. तो उसमें how do you see that?
यार मेरे को ऐसा है कि जिस चीज़ पे मेरा कंट्रोल नहीं है ना, मैं उस पर एनर्जी वेस्ट नहीं करता, क्योंकि आउटसाइडर इनसाइडर तो हर इंडस्ट्री में है, शायद आपकी इंडस्ट्री में भी होगा ही. तो ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ डिबेट, ऑफ कोर्स इट एग्जिस्ट, बट मेरे उस पे बात करने से या उस बारे में परेशान होने से कुछ बदल नहीं रहा, और मेरी एनर्जी ही वेस्ट हो रही है. सो it's better I should focus on things which is under my control,
True.
which is working on my craft, working on my art, and with all this whatever you just said exist, while it's existing, I should just keep my head down and keep working hard. और जब होना होगा तो होगा, नहीं होना होगा तो नहीं होगा, भले आप insider हो या आप outsider हो.
True. But what are the recent films you watched? And
I
liking
am
it, loving it?
watching recently I just watched a show called Mobland, which I really liked, and I'm also watching a show on Netflix called The Diplomat.
It's very nice. I watched it.
Yeah.
Diplomat.
So I think these two things I've been watching, and I watched Thama, which is amazing. Please guys go and watch it.
Please go and write something about him.
please go watch now.
मूवी ने तो कमा लिया है वैसे मूवी में, है ना? बट अपकमिंग टाइम्स में क्या क्या कर रहे हो, कहाँ लिखोगे?
I have finished a film,
Yeah.
which I can't talk about, of course, which will come next year, and there are few things which is happening, but it's too early to say anything about any project. Right now, I'm just happy doing this and talking about my journey and seeing Thama in theaters.
Wow, very nice. But how is family reacting?
Oh, they're all happy.
Yeah.
Family is family, na. They just love you. So even if you do a small thing or a big thing for them, you have done the biggest thing. So they're happy. They're very happy.
I wish you good luck.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much for talking to me. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you
Rajiv.
for having me.
We'll meet you very soon again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good luck.